What is up, guys? RK5 Gamer here, and today I'm back with another tutorial. And in this tutorial, I'll be teaching you how to change your Xbox profile picture to whatever you want. And unless it's, Xbox, it's not in their policy, so I would not recommend putting anything, bad. So anyway, to get right into the video, to change your profile pic, I would use the Xbox app. This can be on Android or iPhone, it doesn't matter. So on the top left, you click the three lines, and this little thing will pop up, and then you click on your profile, and then you go to customize. And then right here, you'll see like change gamer tag, change color, add location, add bio, and then choose your gamer pic. Click that one. And then right here, you can pick whatever you want right here. But you can also, on the top right of your screen, you can click the mountains for gallery or take your own picture. So in this case, we'll just be doing gallery. And as you can see, I can put whatever I want. Like, see, you can like pick your picture, you can move it around, zoom in, zoom out. This looks perfect right there. So when you're done, you click upload, upload, wait for it to load. Okay, and then it'll say success, and then you can click continue, and then hit save. Make sure you hit that because it will not save. And you're all done. It's as simple as that. And yeah, if you guys enjoyed the video, like and subscribe and turn on post notifications because I will be posting more often now. And I will be coming out with a new video on how to change your name to like with a checkpoint. Super simple. So thank you guys so much for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe. And thank you.